The warning check IMA system in your Honda Insight refers to the integrated motor assist, which is the mild hybrid system used by Honda in its older MHEV vehicles. The IMA is basically a small electric motor placed between the engine and transmission, which has its own small lithium battery pack, and it assists the main engine during acceleration, improving the torque of the car as well as in the regeneration of power when you drive. The system is pretty simple, but there are a lot of reasons why you can see the check IMA system message. First of all, make sure that the 12-volt battery is doing well. In older generation of the Insight, the battery is located under the hood, so it's easy to check it with a load tester and see if it's still healthy. Then, just to rule out one of the problems, replace the battery in your key fob. There have been several cases when the dying key fob battery caused the IMA system message without any actual problem. This is just a glitch and it's not that common, but this is a $2 fix that may help, so why not give it a go? Then there is another free thing you may do. This message may indicate that you've been mainly driving your Honda short distances and the lithium-ion battery pack didn't have time to properly charge. Sometimes taking your car for a good highway drive will help in this case. The lithium battery will charge and discharge several times and it will calibrate properly. If nothing helps, there is another free way to try and fix this by resetting the IMA system. For this, you may try disconnecting the 12-volt battery for several minutes. There are methods with pulling fuses, but it will work for the first generation Insight, but not for the second one. If nothing works, the most likely reason for your problem is the bad hybrid battery pack, which will require replacement or refurbishing. Fortunately, in these cars, the lithium battery packs are not huge and they won't cost you a fortune to replace. But before you invest your money in this, have the vehicle thoroughly inspected with a professional scanner. Sometimes there are issues with cooling fans in the IMA system or some other minor problems that may cause this message to pop up.